Okay, y'all, so this is the pineapple. This is a huge glass, so all I need is just that much. Hey y'all! I feel like I haven't done a haul in forever. Okay, y'all, this is the fifth look, last and final. Last but not least, this is the last look of the house. Hey y'all! Oh my goodness, we're one subscriber away from 1K. I know we're gonna hit 1K today. Hey y'all! Oh my god! I'm so happy! Oh my goodness, y'all. Tears of joy. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful for y'all. Thank y'all so much. We reached 1K, 1,000 subscribers. Yay! I wish I had confetti and all that. Hey y'all. Yes, I'm back with another haul. And I'm trying a company that I never tried before. Yes, I'm trying Savage X Fenty by Rihanna, however you want to pronounce her name. Hey y'all. Oh, I'm so happy. My first pool day. Pool fucking chronicles, y'all. I cleaned the pool so good the other day. As y'all can see, it's sparkling clean. I missed one day. Come out today. Now this filter hose is cracked. But we had a lot of rain yesterday too. And I meant to put the pool cover on the day before yesterday, but I was so tired I didn't come back out. The pool cover is going on today because this is fucking ridiculous. It's the pressure of the water, and I just filled up the pool again yesterday because of all the water I lost the last time. So now I'm going to have to do the same thing I did with this one, which is Gorilla Glue it and tape it with electrical tape until the end of the summer when I drain the pool and get a new filter, because I can't put the filter on. Is this one leaking too? No, this one is good. I can't put the change the filter holes until the water is drained. So yeah, this is what I'm dealing with now. Pool damn chronicles. Beware, buyers, if y'all get a pool. This is the shit that you go through. And now this is my third year having this pool. Never had this problem, but I guess all the pressure. And now look at my sand from. Let me go. I just wanted to show y'all because last time I didn't get to show y'all. Okay, y'all. Now that my pressure went back down, because when I tell you I'm straight off of work, coming back here checking my pool, and this is the first thing I see. So 15 minutes later, I use this Gorilla Glue and regular gray electrical tape, and as y'all can see, there's no leaks. It may be like a little drip, but they'll stop because this is the Gorilla Glue that expands. It foams up, so it'll definitely stop. It may be like a little drip, but I'd rather a little drip like that instead of what y'all just saw. So that's a quick fix until you're able to get a another pool filter hose, because I can't do the hose with the all this water in here. You know, I have to wait till I drain the pool and then get the hose. And I'm really not ready to buy a damn hose, no filter hose. Like, I didn't expect this. And as y'all can see, this is the one that happened the first time, a little drippage. And I had to put bricks to hold it up, because if it was down, it would have been still leaking. This holding it up, it's releasing the water pressure, and that one is held up by the stool, as y'all can see. And this is the pool. I just put in the clear balance tablets because I had ran out. I bought some from Walmart the other day. Y'all will see that haul. Y'all probably already saw that haul. But yeah, this is the pool looking all nice and pretty. I'm ready to dive in. And Max is in there as well. He's doing his thing. So after I'm done this, after Max has done his thing, the cover is going on. I'd rather my water evaporate. That's the reason why I haven't been having a cover on this summer. I'd rather the water evaporate than coming home to a leakage. So the water evaporates, it evaporates, because that happened last year. Had my pool cover on for like 2 weeks, came to my pool. When I tell you it was just like this when I put the pool cover on. When I came to it, it was all the way at the bottom, like I drained it. I thought it was a hole in my pool. But y'all see Max? It's still a little cloudy, but not too bad. It's just because it's still chemicals and stuff at the bottom. And I missed yesterday. I mean, if you miss a day of cleaning without a pool cover, you best believe it's going to be a little cloudy, but it's going to clear up. I got the clear balance and the floats. So yeah, this will be a 2-part darn thing. But I'm just so glad that this is taken care of. Just took 15 minutes, if that. I ran upstairs, got the glue, got the tape, and did my thing. When I tell y'all I'm becoming a pro, I'm becoming a pro. I'm going to start going to people's houses and doing this stuff for them. I'm getting paid for it. But yeah, I'll be back once I put the pool cover on so y'all can see how it is with the pool cover. Hey y'all. Okay, so I'm about to put the pool cover on. First I got to get Max out. So I set the camera up here so y'all can get a good view. Take Max out first. The thing stopped leaking completely. The hose. Let's get Max out. Ugh. Okay, so y'all gonna see why I hate putting this pool cover on, because it's work. And I don't want my pool to evaporate, but like I said before, I'd rather it evaporate rather than all these darn leaks because of all the water pressure. So I cleaned this off the other day, but when I tell y'all this is the wilderness, always a damn cat coming around here. There's always some damn bugs. We got sand. We got the grass. Bugs building nests and all that junk. Now, I don't know. Okay. This is the side that I want the pool to cover with. And this is the side that I want to be exposed. Okay. So this is how I do it to make it easy. This is like a two-person pool cover, but I do it by myself. When I have help, but for the most part, I do it by myself. The only thing I hate about the pool cover, whatever is debris that's on the pool cover, don't want to get in the pool, but that's what I had Max for. I don't plan on getting in until this weekend, so the pool cover won't stay on for the weekend. I probably won't come out here to do anything to the pool until the weekend. So let's see how that goes. Alright, and I just drag it. I just drag it from side to side. That's how I do it. Been doing it for years. Woo. And bugs, like I told y'all, bugs and everything else. Okay? Drag it, lift it, and drag it. Lift it. And I put the ladder down. Lift and drag. Now, to hold the cover down, I usually put bricks along the bottom. Sometimes they don't hold. I want to put some water on top with the hole so it can hold. I have to turn the filter off too. Making sure it's still no leaks or anything. So, I'm going to put water on top. I do not want to come out and the darn pool cover that came off. So there's some water on top of it. That's good. Oh wait, the hose is bent. it down a little. And I'm gonna put some bricks. Okay. Okay. Just that much water. Something is biting me. Now I'm about to clean Max. I'm gonna clean him here. I'm gonna pull you closer so y'all can see Max. Something bit me up. When I tell you they love me, they love me. So I'll be back. Put the bricks. Okay, y'all. Let me give y'all a better view of Max. Let's see what he picked up for us. Ooh, no lip slips over here. Ooh. Okay. Nothing up top. Just a little debris. Pool was pretty clean though, so not much. I didn't pick up much at all. A lot of bugs and flies in here though. So I'm not trying to wet my darn phone. So stand back a little. And I usually clean him over there, but since I had those over here, I'm gonna just clean him right here. I'm facing this way because I don't want to wet my phone. But it's flies and little bugs, little debris. Something stuck. And not much. Which is a good thing. That means there wasn't much there. Rinse this part off. Now rinse this. Always rinse your vacuum before you charge it back up. It's an honest mistake you can make. And I've done it more than once. Making sure y'all ain't seen nothing. Okay. Now lock it back up. And now we're done. And I'm gonna charge this. I always rinse the bottom and okay. Alright, y'all. Hey y'all, so this is for my friend's birthday party. This is my sexy bitch birthday celebration at a club called River Deck that's outside. It's like a Caribbean themed club. But we were taking shots. That shot is called Purple Gatorade. Shout out to Kanika for buying us all shots. It was 4 shots that cost $40. I was like, $40 for what? But it was good. Yeah, so we just was celebrating, had them in a good time. So y'all will see us, so excuse my voice, taking shots, a little bit of dances, just a little bit of clips that I decided to put in here. And I'm going to see pictures. So I did my own hair. I did my nails, my toes. I look so cute. And I did a live on TikTok. And I actually uploaded the live to YouTube. So y'all will see that live as well. And that's CJ dancing. He is so funny when I tell y'all he's a ball of energy. He's a ball of energy. So that's me and a birthday girl. That's my friend Emely, my sexy bitch. So we were just having some just a moment because we haven't been out together in a long time. So we was just having our own moment. When I tell you she's one of my favorite people, she's one of my favorite people. Yeah, so we just getting all our pictures together. This is as soon as we got there at the club. Oh, excuse me, y'all. I'm tired, but this is us first getting there. So we have our own special spot. So I spotted her first, and she was walking the opposite way. I was like, "Where you going?" I sent her a text like, "Where you going? Come to our spot." And then a couple minutes later, she came to our spot, and that's my cousin Brill and Emily. That's my traveling partner. The face behind all the traveling. So yeah, that's the one that I always be with traveling. Oh, y'all, I'm so sorry, y'all. Oh, well, it's voice over, but I am tired. But Yeah, that's my sexy bitch. Yes, she is. Um, she looks so cute. Her favorite celebrity is Mariah, and Mariah had a similar dress to that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these pictures and the one of Mariah and put it together and tag Mariah like your biggest fan or your twin or twinning them or something like that. I'm gonna do something cute because I know Emily probably not gonna do it. She's shy when it comes to stuff like that. But y'all about to see my Long Island iced tea. That was so good. Y'all know instead of Coke, I get pineapple juice. So now we got the selfies going on. Now I believe it's me, M, and Neek. Yeah, me, M, and Neek. Getting our selfies together. We couldn't decide if we wanted to do smiley face, duck lips, kissy faces. We ain't know what we wanted to do. And now this is going to be the group picture. So this is all of us in a whole group. Emily attacking us. I don't know what she doing. We always trying to get the picture together, but we just couldn't get right. We couldn't get it right at all. It was me and Emily's world right here. We got tired of telling them to take the picture. When I tell y'all, we had so much fun. This is the big river deck chair. Wait till y'all see me and Emily getting in it. When I tell you, when we got in it, we fell back because the chair is so big. It was like a ride, like a slide, like if you was on a water ride or a ride or something. But yeah, I had on my red doll dress, sketch. When I tell y'all we could not get these pictures together, we fell in a chair. That's me and we fell back. We finally getting it together, trying, and now this is when we got it together, barely. But we fell back in the chair as soon as we sat back. We fell. We just fell all the way back. It was so crazy. But we had so much fun. And yeah, we had an awesome time. All right, y'all. Bye. Hey, y'all. Give it a twirl, give it a twirl, give it a twirl, give it a twirl. Because it's too stinking cute, and it's too stinking cute, and it's too stinking cute, because it's too stinking cute. Ciao.